So now we're looking at Bitcoin, and we are on the daily time frame. So we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily, and to open up the indicator, we once again want to head up here to the indicators tab, and now you want to search for volume. And when it comes to volume, we actually have tons of indicators, both different indicators created by TradingView, but also many community built volume indicators. But for this video, I want to keep it very simple and just open up the normal volume indicator. So as you can see, when we open up the volume, let's actually zoom in a bit here. You can see that multiple bars will appear here below the price. So for every single candlestick, you will see that we have a volume bar. So for example, for this green candle, you can see that we have a very tall volume bar. And for example, for this red candle right here, right, you can see that we have a very tiny volume bar. And as I briefly mentioned, volume basically measures how much crypto that was traded during that specific candle. Or in other words, when we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, this is how many Bitcoins were traded during that day. So for example, during this day right here, we can see that we had lots and lots of trading activity. So many Bitcoins were traded. And this actually indicates that the move is more significant and much more important compared to, for example, this tiny move right here that also had very little volume. In general, you can think about volume as the more volume, the more important the move. And now we might ask ourselves, why was so much volume traded during that specific day? Well, to understand this, it can be useful to look at the previous market structure. Did something special happen during that specific day? Well, here we can start to notice something very, very interesting. You can see at this level, remember, we still have the pivot points here on the chart. You can see that here we have a zone with multiple pivot points, right? You can see we not only have 1, 2, 3, but 4, pretty much 4 pivot points at around the same level. And what actually happened during this day where we saw a spike in volume? Well, not surprisingly, this was exactly the day where we broke above the resistance, right? This was the exact day. So here we broke about a very important level, and we also had lots of volume. So this makes the move even more important. So we have 2 strong factors indicating that this was a very strong move. And let's look, guys, what happened after this move. Well, the price just entered a very, very sharp and strong move here towards the upside, pretty much pumping around $30,000. All right, so this video was just a very short clip from our full swing trading course right here on YouTube. To access the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.